Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I bought this cotton dress while away on a country thrift shopping trip recently for $1. I loved the red and white palm tree design, and I find cotton really easy to sew. With so much fabric to work with, it was a bargain. The fabric width and the pleated bottom made it perfect to upcycle into a wrap skirt. The first step was to cut off the top section from the sleeves down. I'll save the sleeves for another upcycling project I'm working on. I love upcycling skirts and dresses into wrap skirts and wrap dresses because in their design, they are really one size fits all. Next, I cut the skirt in half vertically along one of the existing side seams. This opens up the skirt so it becomes a wrap skirt. This new seam is then hemmed for neatness. Then I went through my bag of ribbon and fabric offcuts and found enough salmon pink ribbon that would form the new waistband and tie for the wrap skirt. After trying on the skirt, I worked out where the hole needed to be cut for the waist tie to slip through. This then ties with the waist tie on the other side. This is why wrap skirts are so universal, because you can loosen or tighten the tie based on your waist measurement on the day. And finally, I sewed some darts in the back. This adds a curve to the waist, otherwise it puckers because it's just a straight piece of fabric. And here it is finished. This is a quick upcycling project with a great result. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more upcycling videos similar to this one, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. I upload new upcycling videos and sewing tutorials weekly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.